Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Alleyoop. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Alleyoop skateboarding shoes. And this pair is in a UK size 9, US size 10 or EU size 44. And it's in the white, university red, white, black colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, lifting up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. Let's pull back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Alleyoop. So this colorway is the white university red, white, black colorway. And let's first take a look at the left foot or left shoe. Okay, so just going to set the box on the left side of the table or frame as we focus on this left shoe of the Nike SB Alleyoop in the white, university red, white, black colorway, and this is a UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44. And taking a look around the aspects and the various details of this skateboarding shoe or skate shoe. You can see the three main colors of black, red and white. It does have that classic Jordan-esque colorway. And on the underside, it does have a very finely blocked outsole design. And now taking a close-up look at the various details of this skateboarding shoe. So we can see that the midsole or the cover around the sole does have a very grippy, coarse rubber cover with a somewhat sticky grip. And on the outsole, taking a close-up look at the bottom of the shoe, you can hear that very grippy and gummy outsole design. And just giving you that close-up look at that somewhat square and round radiating tread pattern emanating from the ball of the foot of that outsole. And you can see there is a recess in the foot arc area or foot arch, and towards the heel area there is a different set of tread patterns. And just taking a look at the heel area, we can see quite an exaggerated heel counter with that suede patch. And the Nike SB branding. With that heel tab at the back of the shoe. So we can see various composite materials with the various textures. That's suede, which is really nice and plush. And then we can see that textile white cover and the black leather panel around the lacing of the shoe, and it is quite smooth to touch. So various textures, and we can see that the Nike swoosh has a very coarse grain to the leather. So we have that weave pattern on the textile or fabric white cover, and then we're looking at the textured grain Nike swoosh, and then that super plush suede red of that exaggerated heel counter, and then we're looking at this smooth black lace panel, and then once again we see that white textile upper cover with that very, this time round I would say this suede is rougher than the red panel at the heel counter. So two types of coarseness or plushness with the suede, contrasting that black against that red. So this one is slightly coarser, the one around the toe area and of course the sides of the foot, compared to the heel counter red panel right there of suede. So quite a composite of materials in terms of the material used for the various panels, and of course the texture or surface of the materials as well, with weave, coarse, flat, grained and plush textures. So doing a full rotation of the shoe. So we're still taking a look at this left foot side of the Nike SB Alleyoop in the white university red, white, black colorway. So taking a look around the insides of the shoe, and the tongue is very well padded, as you can see. Very puffy and soft. And just giving you that look there to the textile cover and the somewhat squishy padded nature or design of that tongue. And as we can see on the inside, it does have a Solarsoft sock liner or insole, and it does have that kind of signature Solarsoft blue cup design around that insole or sock liner. So giving you that much closer in look as best I can at the insole or inside of this Nike SB Alleyoop with the Solarsoft sock liner. And in terms of the padding around the ankle or collar of the shoe, it does have a decent amount of padding and very consistent right around that collar from heel to the ankle. And in terms of the flexibility or firmness or stiffness of this skate shoe, let's check it out by doing a flex and bend test. So right there you can see how it bends or reacts to just hand applied pressure on the shoe. Now let's take a look at the right foot side. So I'm just going to set that left shoe down on the top right hand side of the frame. And peel back that wrapping paper once again to reveal the right shoe. And let's take a look at this right shoe of the Nike SB Alleyoop. So we can see that very striking red outsole on the bottom of the shoe. So the red is the university red. So this colorway is the white university red, white black colorway with the Solarsoft sock liner or insole, and giving you a full look. And once again doing a quick flex and bend test. And now let's take a look at the pair together. And of course, there's one detail I didn't quite show you well enough is the Nike SB Alleyoop square patch branding on the tongue of the shoe. And of course, there is a little white swoosh at the bottom of the lace panel as well, in that smooth leather with that very stitched Nike swoosh. So taking a look at the pair together. So this pair is in the UK size 9, US size 10, or EU 44. So that's the Nike SB Alleyoop. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!